Was good. It's good YouTube. So today we're going to be back testing my trading strategy and just get right into it. So every morning we trade. So 23rd of February. Let's start there. 23rd of February, 9 a.m. Every day we scan MNQ, we scan MES and MGC to see if they are viable options to be trading. Now, 9:30, we're gonna look for, we want to see breakout and trend likely. So we'll see. MNQ, MES is chop likely, MGC is breakout. So we will trade MNQ and MGC. And just by the looks of it, we're going to be looking for some longs. As we can see here, we're looking for longs. Buyers are in control. We are long right at 9:30. We'll be aiming for this initial balance high, but if we flip to shorts, we'll be aiming for these initial balance lows, which would be a lot more likely. So we have that candle close and that breakout. We will do this. Stop loss 38 points. It's kind of a big stop loss. $38 points. We're aiming for 94 points. We're aiming for 94 points because I don't believe it can go that far, but we'll see how this goes. So if we go up 30 points, then that's take profit 1. And we went straight down to a loss. So that's fine. We just take it here, trade an MGC, and then we're just gonna journal that. So it was February 23rd, 9:31 a.m. Direction was long, win rate, full loss, trading MEQ. Two contracts. Stop loss was 38 points. I was minus $143. So we'll wait for our next entry signal. We'll still be looking for longs. There we go. We get another long signal. So we get 2 losses in a day, then that means we're done trading. And if we get 4 losses in a week, back-to-back losses, then that also means we're done trading. So we'll aim for 94 points again. 94 points. We're long. Let's see what we can do here. Go up. So we want to see take profit 1 would be 38 points up here. So at that 50K, which I believe we can hit. And that's 2 losses for the day. It's all good. February 23rd. 9:3. Close price, full loss. Long again, loss. So 2 losses to start off. Not ideal. But that's all good. Because we will be back for the next day, which is the 20. Yes, not a good trade day. MGC, not a good trade day. So let's just check this on the 15 minute, see if it's all in alignment. So yeah, so we would basically just skip this day, but I just want to see how gold would look. We would essentially just skip this day. We would not be trading for this day, so we just move on to the next one. February 25th, 9:30. Let's see how we're looking. So we got a breakout. We always want to start on the 1 minute though. M&Q looking good. MES looking good. So I would say M&Q has a higher conviction for the breakout, more size. We're gonna go with M&Q. We're looking off long. We're looking for longs right off the bat. But if we flip short, we have a lot of room to the downside to go short. It's like we have to take this breakout long for 36-point stop loss. And again, we are overbought, but we can remain overbought. So I'm just gonna aim for 156 points. 156 points. That's pretty good. And our first take profit for about 50% will be right here. So if we reach this level, that is take profit 1. Just for our risk management terms. Long 5 contracts. Almost reached it. So there we go. We hit our take profit 1, so let's mark this down. Entry. So I have to adjust this somehow. So this would be 1-to-1 break even. How will I do this? 1-to-1 R. Because at 1-to-1 R, we're taking off 2 contracts. How do we type this in? So 1-to-1 R, we take out 2 contracts. Q5. I have no idea how to do this. So we would move to break even, or we just keep our stop loss there. So if we go and hit our stop loss, then that is if we go and hit our stop loss, then that is essentially a break even trade. But let's see if we reach our take profit 2, which we just edged it, like we were right there. But we hold this trade. We just missed it for 156 points. But it looks like we will hit. There we go. That's our full take profit. But basically what I want to do is I want to take 50% off at 1-to-1 and then just leave the rest of the trade for take profit 1 and then take profit 2. But I don't know how exactly I will manage that. Let's take a screenshot of this, and I'm just gonna ask Claude real quick. 1-to-1 break even is to take half contracts off. So I can leave my stop loss where it is, and worst case scenario, if it hits my stop loss, then it's break even or a very small loss. But how do I enter this in the profit formula column that this price is to take 50% of contract sizes off? Alright, so we'll get this fixed up with Claude. And I really like this strategy. I really like this strategy simply because it is a funded strategy. So once I get one account funded, just trading by correct sizing according to the market and correct take profits according to the market, the correct risk management according to what the market is giving me, I should never blow an account because I know I'm following my rules, I'm staying within my risk parameters because I'm basically adjusting with the market. So I should be able to scale in sorry. If K is blank. All right. So the close price, we'll just add that in real quick. Close price was here. Win long. It was February 24th at what time? 9:31. February 25th actually. So in this case, the full take profit would have been $1,500. $1,500 only risking $347, which is a great return. But since we took half off at break even, where did Claude go and why did Claude shut down on me? I need to figure out this this fucking streaming setup. Because the MacBook is so laggy to stream on. Column L is not accounted for. So basically, column L is the price when I take off 50% of my contract size. Or should it just be one contract? Does it have to be 50%? Because even just one contract reduces the risk by like how much? Like 60 points or $60? But we'll see. We'll see the difference in R. What is Claude doing right now? All I need is the formula to account for this. That takes off 50% of the contracts. Sometimes Claude is too complicated. Like I just need simple formula, bro. Alright, let me see if this will work. There we go. So we're just gonna change this. We're gonna delete this. Put it like this. 50% off at 1-to-1 R. Cool. Okay. Moving on to Wednesday, February 26th. February 26th, 9:30. So M&Q's high conviction, MES high conviction, gold is just likely to trend. So it looks like we're gonna stick with, let's see. M&Q is to the downside, are biased. MES, MES looks like it has more room to the downside. So let's just see how the 15-minute chart looks like. What is going on? Do you guys see this right now? Like, what is happening? My MacBook is just completely broken. Oh my God. See, I'm trying to live stream. I'm trying to live stream my productivity. Let me check how the live stream is doing. Alright, we gotta stop this.